Hey guys, it's me again. It's Nino from Nino and Low. And let me tell you something. Every spring, I just love to get out there and take care of my grass, ensure my lawn is well taken care of. And, getting that first mow in at the beginning of the year is very important. But you got to also bear in mind that there's treatments that you got to do for your lawn as well. And one of the things that I like to do is I like to dethatch my lawn. Very important. What it is it just gets down in there and take out some of the impediments that's sitting in the bottom, and it allows all the reseeding. It allows the seed to get to the bottom to germinate. Now I picked up this dethatcher about 2 years ago off of Amazon. I'll put the link below. And all you got to do is just get that unit plugged in and just roll it over your lawn back and forth. And as you see, it picks up a lot of that loose impediment on the bottom. And again, when you drop your seed and your fertilizer, it really gets down to the bottom, allows it to germinate, and it allows growth, and it allows beautification of your lawn. So it is something that's very important for you to get out and do. And I do have an extensive video on dethatching, and I'll also put that link below for you to check out. Well, guys, that's it for now. I'm going to be going back to doing my dethatching. Hey guys, so I've got my grass all done, the treatment's all done, and this is what my grass looks like 2 weeks later.